Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking you along a tidy up and clean with me in a way. My place is a mess. We got toys everywhere, stuff everywhere, like I don't even know. So I'm going to take you along. Thought I'd bring my camera and yeah, hopefully you can tidy up with me too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check out some of my videos. I have lots of organization, mommy videos, cleaning videos, all that stuff to get you motivated, especially during this time. So go ahead and check that out after the video. So since Jackson is still sleeping, I thought I would quickly try and disinfect all the hot spots. So I'm using this Lysol disinfectant mist in Cucumber Fresh, so at least it'll smell good. And I'm just reading the back, and it pretty much says to allow surface to remain wet for 10 seconds. And then, yeah, so let's do that. So I'm gonna do my switches here, doorknob, these switches, this gate, because we touch it all the time. I'm actually gonna do the whole thing. Bathroom door, fridge handle, our bedroom door, both sides. Gonna do the faucet, switches, handle, toilet, flusher. Hello! Look who's awake! Oh, and ready to destroy things. Okay, so we were able to clean up the living room a little bit. There's already toys on the ground, but at least it's organized. I was able to wipe down my bathroom sink, get rid of a couple products that were empty, disinfect all the hot spots like the switches and the handles. And I reread the back of the bottle. You actually just leave it on and let it air dry, which is great. So don't have to worry about that. And it makes my home smell so fresh. Like it doesn't smell like a disinfectant cleaning, what do you call it? Chemical, you know what I mean? So I feel really good about that. Did the dishes, cleaned up all this stuff, cleaned the high chair, so not too bad. Like putting things away, tidying, things like that. We had gone for a walk earlier, so got a lot of energy out for him. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is vacuum the whole house. Yeah, I have to vacuum almost every day just because this guy gets like crumbs everywhere. So let's get that done and try to finish my coffee and my cereal. Alrighty guys, so that is the end probably of my tidying and cleaning up. I will now play with this little monster. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that like thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye! Say bye!